Alright, so we're checking out the new BETAFPV Cetus X FPV ready to fly kit, and it comes in this nice case here. I just opened it up and see the new drone, the Cetus X. Got your charger there and some other accessories. We'll open up this here in a second. You got a manual, and under that is the goggles. It's like it's wrapped in some plastic. And this is the Light Radio 3, also wrapped in some plastic. Pretty nice case. And should be easy to get the stuff out. Just some Velcro here and here as well, and as well right here. Just some straps. Let's go and pull everything out and take a closer look at it. Alright, so here's everything out of the case. Of course, you get a support card. You get four 450 milliamp hour 1S LiPos. You get a charger, and it's operated by Usbc. Everything here is going to be Usbc and includes a Usbc cable. Get this little adapter here for the drone, so you can connect it to Betaflight. It's a USB-C connector and a smaller plug. I'll show you that here in a second. Spare set of these 4-bladed gem fan props and a prop removal tool and a screwdriver. These are the new VR03 goggles. We'll take a closer look at that here in a second. These have onboard video recording via microSD card. Also charges via USB-C. You get a user's manual, which is pretty good. I took a look at it and it's quite comprehensive. I'm not going to cover everything. This is many pages. And you get a quick start guide. And we have the Light Radio 3. I've reviewed this as well. I'll link all the previous videos that might be relevant in the video description. Obviously, this is the 4th in the Cetus series. I'll link the previous Cetus videos in the video description as well. The previous ones were smaller. They had older versions of firmware, etc. This one's running Betaflight and Express LRS. It's got all the latest technology on here. So obviously this is the best one and the biggest one. So for those who want more power, more performance, this is definitely the one to check out if you're starting out. Of course, it's still analog video. But yeah, I did a video review on the Light Radio 3. This is the Express LRS version. And this is all depicted in the manual, of course, but very quickly, the buttons and switches you need to know about. The SA button is for arming. SB here is for your modes. So there's angle, which is the down position. The middle position here is horizon, and then the up position is air mode or acro mode. And then your turtle mode is on switch C, which is all the way up. That'll initiate turtle mode. This one, D, is not used for anything. And then you have a charging port USB-C on the bottom. So here's a look at the Cetus X. You have an adjustable camera angle there. The new M04 cameras. It's a new one. I haven't tried this one yet. And a 25 to 400 milliwatt of video transmitter in there. The antenna is kind of at a weird angle there, kind of down. We'll have to see what the video reception is like. These motors we've seen before, 1103s, 11,000 kV. That's a pretty common motor they've used for a while. 4 screw hole mount in the bottom. Big tray here. This is running on 2S, so you actually put 2 of the 1S batteries into the tray, and then you hook them both up. You have 2 of these BT 2.0 connectors there. Pretty big tray, as you can see. This has the new 12 amp all-in-one flight controller that does 1 and 2S. I actually haven't reviewed this one either, but you can see here that there's an extension cable right here in the back. That is what the this little USB-C dongle extension adapter right here. You plug that little extension into this port here, and then this will go into your computer. Obviously, they designed this board this way so that it could save some weight on the drone. It says a little bit of weight. Let's see how much this weighs. Alright, so this is the Cetus X by itself, 55.6 grams. And with 2 batteries, we're at 80.3 grams. And I think I failed to mention that this does support simulators. So for those of you guys that are starting out, I do recommend getting like a simulator like Liftoff or something like DCL, Drone Champions League. There's a lot of them out there, and you can just connect it up via the USB-C port to your computer, and you can learn to fly first before you take this out and crash it, because trust me, you will crash it if you don't learn how to fly in a simulator first. I highly recommend that. So these are the new VR03 goggles. It has this collapsible antenna. Pretty nice. Micro SD card slot there. Nothing in the front or the bottom. And you have 3 straps here. This opening here looks similar to previous models. Now, it doesn't look like it's adjustable or the focal length is adjustable, so this is probably going to be the case. Again, goggles are very subjective. You're going to either like the way it fits or probably hate it. It really depends. It doesn't look like it'll fit glasses. It's kind of small. At least it didn't fit mine. It did fit okay on my face. It does have a pretty big area for the nose. And again, everyone's face is a different shape, so and also the curve of their face is different. So it's hard to say, but obviously they're going to try and make this accommodate the most number of people, but of course it's not going to fit everybody. I do like the material, the foam here. It's comfortable to wear. It's not that heavy. I did try it out, so it's overall pretty nice. Charges via USB-C here. You got your on-off switch here. Let's go ahead and turn that on. I think the screen is using a mirror. You can see there's a mirror there to reflect it. That's obviously for optics, and it's not turned on. I don't have the drone turned on, so that was just static right now. I'm going to turn that off. And basic buttons here: record, play, and then your scan button. These buttons here also are for up and down for selecting your channels, but this one, I believe it behaves the same way as the VRO2. It defaults to, I think B1 is the channel, so every time you turn the drone on, you need to press this scan button. It'll auto scan, it'll lock onto the frequency that's transmitting to, and you'll get a picture that way. So that's, I think, the way this one behaves. It behaves the same way as the previous generation. Alright, that's enough talking here. Let's go ahead and charge up everything and go take it for a fly. Alright, I'm trying out a new park today, and we'll start off in angle mode. Let's see here. Armed. And looks like angle mode works. Things are nice and level. The field of view of this camera isn't super good. Could be better. It's not as wide as I would have hoped, but no problem. I'm able to fly this little, I guess called it a jungle gym or something. But I hate angle mode, so let's go right into horizon mode. So horizon mode is like angle mode. It'll self-level you out, but you can do rolls and flips, and it'll level you out. Yeah, it seems to be okay. Again, I hate angle mode, so let's go right into air mode here. Alright, that's much better. Now I can fly it. Yeah, I'm getting a low battery warning. It's 2 1S batteries, yeah, in a series setup, so it's not really the best for performance. And these rates they're okay. I didn't touch anything. I'm just flying it straight out of the box the way it came. Let's go through that little tunnel there. That sounds interesting. That looks interesting. Let's see if I can make it. Yeah, I don't like the camera angle on this, so I think I should probably adjust it. Again, I didn't adjust anything. But very flyable. No problems controlling it with just a stock tune and rates and everything. It's just not what I would. It's not my preference. I think I would probably make some changes to the tune and especially the rates. Tune's okay. The rates are, I don't know, they're a little low, or they don't have enough expo. Oh, I'm getting eaten up by bugs here, getting distracted, falling over. But yeah, I'm getting a low battery already. Whoa, okay, gotta land here. Let's see. I'm gonna lay off the throttle here. I'm up to 3 minutes now. So I get the low battery when I do a little punch out and hit land now. The voltage sags. That's totally expected for this setup here. Let's bring it on in. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys later.